Hello, folks. Today I just wanted to talk about, the best thing about long form content, or many great things about long form content, right? Let it be text, audio, video, right? Whatever it is. So, or even images, let's say anime and all, manga and all is like a lot of images, right? So, storybook and whatnot. Storybook with just images in it and whatnot, apart from text. So the thing is, in long form content, right, you can get away with saying anything, right? You can actually get away with saying a lot of truth bombs, what people call, or unpopular opinions, right? You can say anything you want, controversial opinions, controversial bombs and whatnot, or controversial thoughts and ideas and whatnot, and you can most probably get away with it, especially if you plant it in between your content. This is like the popular idea, I think, in Indian schools and colleges, and like with Indian students, I guess, where a lot of students are like, we'll write so much content in our exam that the professor who is actually checking the answer wouldn't even spend time reading it all. They'll probably just skim through it, and hence they'll probably just look at some stuff at high level. I've heard people say that they've written Harry Potter stories in their examinations, for long form answers, right? So where the question is not about Harry Potter, of course. So long form content, you can get away with a lot of stuff. Of course, not all people will skim through videos or audio or text content. Many people read through everything. Many people listen to the whole audio. Many people check out the whole video and whatnot, especially people who are actually actively following the creator, or for some reason they just want to completely finish it off, completely consume the content. But there won't be so many actually. For example, in my case, I doubt I have enough subscribers to actually get eyes on me, so I can get away with saying anything and everything, and most people wouldn't even notice. And the people who notice, let's say a handful of people, very few people, let's say a few people in India or a few people in the world itself, let's say 5-10 people max, who see the whole of my content, will probably notice some controversial stuff that I say, or stuff that I said by mistake, or things that I said by mistake where I was rude and then I corrected myself in the video itself, but I didn't edit it out, etc., because I really don't have the time for editing. So with long form content, there are a lot of pros. So you can actually get away with stuff, especially if you don't have enough eyes on you. And even if you have enough eyes on you, unless the media is on to you or something, a lot of people are trying to get dirt on you. Let's say you're in politics, you're in a political party, or you're in a high position, let's say in a company or whatever, then a lot of people will try to actually get dirt on you, or try to do stuff, try to find some way to pull you down. In which case it's hard to get away with saying anything and everything, including controversial opinions and ideas. But it gives a lot of courage for me to actually say almost anything and everything and get away with it, though I wouldn't generally say it probably loudly in public, and however no one is going to listen to me. But most times I'll just say it for the sake of myself, and if I record it, I'll probably be able to see it later if I really have the time, which I doubt. But you can get away with a lot of stuff in long form content. You can even just say some random stuff and whatnot. I don't do that, of course, but of course you can say some random stuff, say blah blah blah, whatever, put some fillers, put some just black visual in your video and not put anything, and most people won't even notice. If it's a, say, 1 hour video, let's say you put some black visual every 10-15 minutes, not exactly in the same intervals, but something like that, a lot of people won't even notice, right? So you can put fillers like that and whatnot. People call it fillers, I think. Even in manga I've heard of fillers, where manga or anime especially, not even manga, where some people are just fighting and shouting, and the shouting itself takes a lot of time. Anyways, so yeah, you can get away with a lot of stuff. Yeah, you can get away with a lot of controversial stuff, and with a lot of stuff in general in long form content. So yeah, that's all I had for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.